Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with a new tutorial, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to enable chat hits on your messenger. So whenever someone texts you on messenger, you get a message preview or you get a chat hits on your mobile, and it will also display over another apps as well. Now if you're not able to see that, this video is for you, so make sure you stick till the end. Now without any further ado, let's start. On your device, launch the messenger app and then make sure they are logged into your account. Now at the upper right corner of your screen, you will see three horizontal lines. Tap on there. A dialog box will pop up. From there again, tap on this gear icon that you will see at the top right corner of that dialog box. You land on your settings page. Now in here, but before we proceed to next step, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, make sure you subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon so that the next time we upload more tutorials, you will get notified. Now back again, once you see this interface, scroll all the way down. Under this preferences section, you will see chat hits. If you have turned off that toggle, make sure that toggle is turned on. Once you turn on that, you will get a chat hits and messenger, which will also display over another apps as well. So this is how you can simply enable chat hits and messenger. I hope this tutorial helped you. That's all for today, and thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.